Aha mukoro gwo kuzika Asinance Muhindo kunihira kibanzanga orumyanya wo musinga wa Rwenzururu His Majesty Charles Woizire Mumbere Right Honorable Dr. Crispus Chiyongori wa kabira muwezi w'enganzi y'ihanga yajya mu government yaferwa muntu w'amani
On behalf of the government, on behalf of the NRM party, and on behalf of my family and the Basita, I wish to extend heartfelt sympathies to Omusinga in bracket King, to Honorable Christopher Kibanzanga, MP Buendera County, and all members of the royal family upon the death of the Chief Princess. In particular, I send commiserations to the children of the late Rubuwa for the loss of your mother.
Mukuru w'ihanga yagaruka yashabira beka yo musinga ngo ruhanga bagumye barabo mu mbereje yo kuferwa.
I pray that the Lord grants the king and the royal family the fortitude to go through this moment of grief and sorrow. May the soul of the late Chief Princess rest in peace. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda.
Honorable Christopher Kibanzanga orumyanya wo mugenzi yajyango mugenzi abira ryo mukozi kandi uko abene atandike kintu cyo narebeka ngo yakimaririza.
She was very assertive. A liberated woman. So I'm not Roma, okay, yeah. Very assertive woman. Maybe to my teaching at the collar. In a kind of collar came a page
Right Honorable Benson Kureba Ritazare orienganzi y'obusinga bwa Rwenzururu omukushomo butumwa bwo musinga wa Rwenzururu His Majesty Charles Woizire Mumbere yasima munyanya bw'emerume yabire nakora hatari mu kushororo mu nganda.
Enya rubire erigerera alwe akatangerera buli mundu okute akasororo
kumana sabangaho ngabuyinga kulisinga nibi obona natoyinga lwahano naye makubunguka emwendeka naye mwanyisikaho ukibuka lwahano na uenda utegetege cha uchiro ukaroda bakisha kutsika ngabanasabya bangana na
sirirwa 14 omulolu 13 ate oyuka horera omunyambo mu Yesu Kristo nero kwakanale kati mibiri yiwe nere mibiri yiwe yuwele
Omubiri gwo mugenzi gw'abantu guzikwa mu cyaro cya Nyamirangara omu Central Division Kasese Municipality amakuru agashaka Gilbert Muhanguzi.